Okay, so for this worksheet, I'm going to go ahead. We're doing 3 different things for every single question, 1 through 18. The Lewis dot structures, the electron configuration, and the ion notation. You can grab an extra sheet of paper if you need some. Please note here, do not do the oxidation or the ion charges for group 4. Okay, so if the element you're given is in group 4, you don't have to put a negative or positive on it. You can just move on. So 1, carbon, the valence electrons for the dots, how many dots you put is 4. Okay, the numbers in green are the number of dots you would put. Notice for the valence electrons, it never goes above 8, so you should never have more than 8 dots around the element. Because that falls in group 4, we're not going to do the ion notation, the charge. And then for electron configuration, I'm just going to do 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. It's pretty short, but if you wanted to do the shortcut method, you start at the last noble gas, which would be He, and then it would be 2s2. It's not much of a shortcut. 2p2. Okay, so number 1 is done. You should have that written down for number 1 or have it on a worksheet. Now let's go to number 2, which is sodium. So I go to the periodic table, find the valence electrons. Sodium is right here. I know there's 1 valence electron. That means there's 1 dot. Okay, whatever the valence is, that's how many dots you put. Now I can do the ion notation. Just put the charge, so the oxidation number for sodium is +1. This one's +2. Those are oxidation numbers, or the ion is the charge. So for sodium, I just put +1. I'll do one more with you. Oh, let me do the electron configuration. For Na, E3s. So that's the shortcut method. If you're not sure how to do the shortcut method, I'm just going to do it one last time, the long method. If you know what you're doing already, you can continue because this worksheet will be picked up for a grade. Okay. Shortcut method, you just go to the last noble gas and then you can continue. The long method, you start at 1 and you go all the way across. Aluminum, I think you guys, I feel like you guys understand this. This 1 through 18. If you need help, you can come and see me. All you need to do for all of them is the electron dot configuration, sometimes called Lewis dot structure. Then you're doing the ionic notation, which means you just write the oxidation number plus or minus their charge. And then you do electron configuration.